was just a message on crown. Yes, if you be a man, some woman. What I say, if you be a man, some will open the bonnet. And I say, and to what? Now what that? Okay, I say, thank you to MPP before I started thank you to, but me thank you to I go found to Kwabai, Kennedy, a camp, anybody a camp, a class, my upper ticket, see it, ACMP for Buzia. That upper no, you see, I'm going to see a dear. I bet you NDC more than you're going to see at the camp of. Julius Debrah, at the camp of Asiedu Nketia was Oma class. Nina for Enra. Thank you, Tobia. Asiedu Nketia, yeah. Now, Julius Debrah camp, almost there be Asiedu Nketia place smartness. And you thank you, Massa. And your campaign, no, open and kind of good. And your campaign, no, your Oma class. Never want to remove natural water. Amame, ever comment section. I have Penyah Brock Media. That's what I say, I need you. Over like video, no, that I'm subscribe button, click notification, update. Now, better watch and their mammy. Ewa comments as mess was obaso and wash video for Penyah be ashe. Etobaka somewhere memu. Anna prophet Isaac Osibempa ebe can same be that time na confusion ACM people mo. We gonna be for akwa thank you to. I'm a thank you to no no. Abeda ne tokwa. Kennedy e camp anybody camp e clàsh. E ma say as can train na e be but enye no ho asem na ye kan. Right after the thank you to na that ne blood no. Anna Isaac Osibempa be cast oh no na cause confusion at 20 people mo. The same be here no no obegu no. Emu na fia shos nigga ebe clàsh with Osibempa. Na fia shop be kasara say hey Osibempa. Oh bibi ya. Hey, say am nigga see no. Confusion kese eda. Asiedu Nketia oni Julius Debrah omu camp. Confusion dem e try na solve it na enche ebe pie.
Confusion na see wo MPP mo a. Papa Bampe. E bia si wo NDC mo. E bia na ekoso between Julius Debrah ne ayi Asiedu Nketia. Anaka see you. Ye be kai enunti. Yet, actually, you're right, you're doing a cranza. Confusion, I see where people know. The answer when this is where Bobano. I say, I see, I don't get young one for John Mahama. I thought where you many are. On recall a woman. 1 G, I do money if you woman send. I see, I don't get young one for young Baba woman. Hey. What set of confusion? I set to peace over me. Set to peace. And my young friend also by bay. There would ya so for Ghana so for. Nyame for one country am rouse.
I was ask me if you can, you know. As independent bedin, I think I say if you are master die. Okay, can't go see us. What I say, if you are, or can't go see us. And this 47 people before, oh, yeah, the confusion be AC. Then see, I'll be a chemistry, and I say, yes, Asiedu Nketia, a year and runner. Anna a year 17th no. Obeko thank you to. Thank you to go PMO e wo lower Penyah Eastern region. The Eastern region no. Julius Debrah gasa ni krom na mpeso aso ni krom. Julius Debrah gasa krom. Ho, ana say gasa we national thank you to yi. E ma ye hu ye no enra. Ena sorry thank you to on e hye so e ma okọ ho no kra no. En say we dey say gasa go gina ho no e kan ye.
Eno ti ba bia so ye kwa. Ye ka say akaya to bi kra ye be ba for victory celebration ya. The pedal and the hop, if you said, parliamentary resource to teach a travel. Maybe in the said that we are winning 119 parliamentary seats. And now, before ECOFA or the electoral commission has said declaring now I'm going to say you know that it's and the man and last year I say Babeda Masino. Aka area church but I say a church as a seat river. I don't think it says a church. Now among those who say you bet you he said you are before you now feel nice one. Now about the other boys was said. Oka say you be whatever matter as wow, and you cast a yet give to. Everything I may say, Sepia Cocra, as I say about near Bedamas. Fix the bar. No, everyone say, Chama, the movie that, or the other victory, that let's fix the idea of the fourth report. But I never know you. I am not aware. It is a lot for my so ma ba so na me da ma se president bia ye duma
why they go chire me oh na was nka ya bada dada na so to ba wie ma munim na ma sie ni ade entino ana ma ya delay entino mo fa nche na MPU fo no o mo we ni akonwa 20 no ko mo ka se no ano o ma nkode da ase entino ana ma mo nyina mo tutu ba ya this for there ya dwene mo ho ya do mo se ma to mo entino ba da mase ache emu ye ezebebo nyina ade what I say eti ya bayi de ye ba say ye beda mase ho cry say o ha kobo MPU fo akutia na sa thank you to ya Asiedu Nketia ko ye no eno ana akọfifa ensem bi e dia be ko obeka ya ohwe NDC party ni mo nipa mi ron say o mo presidential ambitions eye Julius Debrah chief of staff ana Johnson Asiedu Nketia general mosquito oyo mu national chairman o mu mi no ana obeka ya 27 presidential race nothing say o mu no ye serious candidate ya obi anim say o mu ye no obu ba ko na we choose flag bearer every Johnson Asiedu Nketia ana Julius Debrah chief of staff obi tino o mu ye no tension can say either woman but almost camp but camp no there tension abedo mo go obi a president Eddie na efa thank you to na Asiedu Nketia ekoye right after the thank you to ana NDC ni Franklin Kujo eba na Twitter and we keep post and Twitter say chairman of the NDC party on a thank you to for what chairman instead please tour all the Galamsey sites booming with activity and together with the president declare those areas dangerous zone. If you are able to do this, you may be on your way to receive the chief successor title. Otherwise, you will just be an uninfluential, toothless general. Just say, obepim ne kutiapa. Say, unia will be pa with a listen now. Thank you to the flag. Adam thank you to the anyway. Na Galamsey. Thank you to the Queen for so be any sending call. Thank you to win any conquer Galamsey site. On the president in court, baby, Galamsey, send near money at the other. And come declare danger zone. That's not common for pan and to so. And yes, I will thank you to the master. Who are you now? We everyone. Okay, ya. And after Julius Debrah a camp ever reply no. You are Julius Debrah and so on the key faith ambassador. What does he? Just also a key faith and organize. Now the camp no. There's one guy ya. Just one make us one a PRO. I find a Ras Mubarak. Say something say Angola. I find no thank you to na. I think it's a call ya. I don't make it post on Facebook. I don't say. Thank you tours are led by candidates into parentheses presidential or parliamentary candidate if it's a constituency tour who lead a party into an election in partnership with party executives. Ochirem say oh thank you tour no. Yeah, thank you tour. Hey. Others say a candidate, flag bearer, and as a parliamentary candidate, say a person now, or person thank you to an honorable a candidate. And I be connect or party name penny for you now. A can be. Never throughout NDC's history has a national chairman after an NDC victory decided he's going on a thank you tour aside what the flag bearer in collaboration with the party has done or is doing. Oh, just say, oh. On say ya to we and Mahama where why thank you baby hey Mahama fellowship with the clergy no other master wa ha no other Ghana for us wa ha no other we master wa ha thank you to ya hu bia I don't just oh say ya kwa this part and this history mu kra na e BC be bia da say chairman e be ka say onu nko na tunu we say o thank you to say abra party president as a candidate no flag bearer no kwa ye bi da na say president oguso o ye bi na national the thank you to there say the emu rem kakra. This is a dangerous precedent and an unnecessary distraction to the government. Nobody must be allowed to hide under a thank you to advance their premature presidential ambitions. Na so no. Oya so hey momo bi fa so kwan na ma chinti no. Momo bi nya kataso mu aso o me ye thank you to na so ube komu no. Ube komu dipu no. No, the presidential ambitions and who they na obo. Just your campaign 2027 presidential race no open out of the campaign. What is it? And Janona, Julius Debrah campaign abru homo kan. It is intolerable and the chairman must be bluntly told. Just a moon can't the chairman say ade awoye no. Enya de kwan so. Anso wa e no sa ba biem. Just na ras in enya brepa. My brother, the indefatigable finance minister, Arthur Forson led a campaign team should he also go on a thank you tour? Education Minister Honorable Anna Idrusu led a team. Should he start a thank you tour? I was part of a team led by my uncle Honorable Inusa Fuseni. Should my uncle Inusa start a thank you tour? Yes, I had a question. Say, and yes, a time I asked for a thank you because say only the ABI campaign team there. And yet, how do you do the campaign team? Or also thank you to Anna. Hey, after forcing our finance minister also need to come make say we are signing so no campaign. Koko work out koko system na abeg the media na so. Ah, make I. Also when lady campaign team, it now also thank you to Anna answer that. I was saying oh, Anna kasa no offer Inusa. Inusa for say also lady thank you to. Also lady campaign team, it also thank you to Anna answer that. On a personal level, I led my own team and spent days in places like Asiedu, Damango, Tafo, Ablikman Central, Ablikman North, Ejoso, etc. I also reassemble my team and go on a thank you tour. You cannot argue your way out of that which indefensible. Just any on crown. Says I know say obi a only the team be to me. Okay, thank you to any on crown. What more than cause or yeah be. Also ebeko thank you to Olivi. You can organize party activities, outreach, etc. But you can't go on a thank you tour. The president went round thanking all Ghanaians, including party faithful for voting NDC. It was a thank you tour on his behalf and on behalf of the party. Any other thank you tour after the president is an unnecessary distraction. If you don't get it, forget about it. I come in peace from Agostino Netos, Angola. And no, and I just say, Julius Debrah I come, Ras Mubarak. And the Abe reply, thank you to na just say, Opana Echo and Johnson Asiedu Nketia, General Mosquito, your incoming president. Or call Now, my was to said, thank you to the said na, Julius Debrah come, H.M. na, Master almost there be. And the presidential ambitions, and a copper huntman, the campaign, and was that here, and yet thank you to be.
Toya was walk on. Cried you say 2028 presidential bid no way. And this will be the criminals or so no there. Or Ben Nancy free hako, Bunkuru, you are even no Nancy. Or found Nancy free and go Indonesia. No. What member baby?
Obisi answer na 2028.
Nancy.
Obisi answer 2028 bedroom no. That one under China.
You were China.
So we say Nketia be president e wo mbemu a enya mo papa no ho so we di BBC na ne so se obaye a oye ana oye bibi a ho onja many pa minim so onji ni pa mi o onu akasa could you imagine say 2024 general election no e kurase bia ne wo Asiedu Nketia wangura ba bia etwa nsuo kura wase e fa foto wo kokora na be ko o twa nyina yes anadwina enti ni pa bi say wo da wote no one underestimate no undermine no say o ne ho sisa ene won obuwa very intelligent
Asiedu Nketia be say onim krobi and I say be a police station then a electoral area bi wa
Ablegman of no crap book ne pen odu ha no wo cheche odu anu wo twere ye kwa Nketia mbisa ye say baby Asiedu Nketia ba ha ye kwa wenchi ye say oba ha kusi ye say oba ha
unhutam so de ko
yes baby ye say
oba
wo
ekire a wa hwe obeka se ebia o obi mpenasam ne ade ade hwe ukọ a former grassroots for no the we was or ye raw person into oba from edema grassroots for no at the level no ato nchen eno mu nyina be ye pe die bia woni nam city yes na wo hu se bia wo ye bibisi a wo kɔ fam a ho na be hu na wo mo to aba na yesi krom nko a na wo mo krasia no o mu doso pa nti no bia o meka se o be contest bibi die na mo se na o si hyehyehye ne campaign ye na se ne die do ne be gina bia no wonya hwe ye die si ye 2014 2014 and at 2011 we Coronation Park we nya phone can game
okay Sunyan Coronation Park
yes mo ma be in
no
2011 very intelligent and smart man
oh yeah very intelligent into was one so be nationwide 20 mu de montan kran hana mo nante
yes second chief of staff echo work yes eno ye true yes and I made this out two no a developer massive.
And what may catch us say your innuendos now.
I didn't hear you.
Okay. This is it. national chairman, it is true, and you can't dispute it. And we even said it. Say you call election 2024. Now there were 3 campaign teams. President Mahama Bako, Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman Bako, and National Chairman Asiedu Nketia and so Bako. We toured every constituency in Ghana. Now this year, okay, last year campaign no, National Chairman say ye the new dynamics be bamua NPP fu ehu oko constituency a o se baby a ye frɛ hɔ hard to reach baby a ye campaign obi anko ɛhɔ no de the campaign be kyerɛ na be ka ho bi enti bra ye started 2024 campaign na ne ye kɔ no owusu I can give you countless videos. Ahemfo ni bi tena dwamu a omo say efiri se yesa amanyo asemo ase no pani bia ma krom ha emeye campaign da 2024. Na concern ba ko a omo sa kan ye ya ne ye adanse ne say mu amanyofo de se mu ba be petumi a baby nipa ne hye bia no mokɔ hɔ ɛne nipa ne kɔkasa nanso yɛto aba ne wie a yɛhwehwɛ mu a yɛhu mu biem owusu asɛm we mante no minnim constituency a yɛkɔ mu a mante sa asɛm we bi ahemfo ne kasa wie ansa ne national chairman akasa national chairman asɛm wɔ san ka kyerɛ ɔmo ne sɛ afi we yɛka reset agenda na we num nyina ka ho na enkoye te se de afi bia etie no na afi we de me as national chairman me hyebobo se si yeto aba ni wi a mo besan hunu me wa ha nti ne bo na obi me ba enti se national chairman ko campaign na okase na se yeto aba wi no o se ba bia ye kyekere aboa no ehɔ ne gya no enu nti no ba bia me kopre to mi de ma me no me ko ho no makoda o mo ase a also it doesn't come near to what you were talking about.
What did I say? They make a different from the whole.
And I'm coming. When national chairman go and thank the people, how does it veer President Mahama off the responsibilities? However, I'm coming. However, President Mahama appointing ministers. Me Ebra ni ye campaign 2024 no. Na Broja Jemfi ni spokesperson for your campaign team. Na me ye deputy. Broja Jemfi ye deputy minister for defense. Oni national chairman enko. Elikem Kotoko, national deputy organizer. Our forestry commission as deputy. Or your government appointee. Your money mandate. He's not part of it. Where is the problem? And I don't think say any NDC member way as a problem. And I'm telling you, no. NT say adie no koba say ya. Na odina ho no to Boba Park as well.
Me to Boba Park.
To Boba Park. Because I said na we dey want some moment na. Unim.
Also
to Boba Park be aso.
And also
wakasa more than.
So what general interview, sir. He has said it on countless occasions.
Said
say or no baby obe be ebisa no say obe contest ana.
O say
yes or no
because he knew. Good.
Na etru nu so a ye pam danta.
Obi de kan na say
Good.
What did I mention us? Enti thank you Tono. Yes, started campaign no. National chairman started from Eastern region.
Okay. It one was safe.
One was safe.
Choboko the whole district.
The whole Ghana. Yes. That's it. Damn na ya kwako. Yeah, thank you to. Yeah, this is the first time I hear thank you to.
President Mahama thank you to.
Yes.
Anamebo.
So called campaign.
So the campaign.
Debbie, and your baby and a general president.
Nya botre.
Baby.
Oh, editor me about NTC. The chairman, yes. The vice president should be to thank you to.
But dear me who say vice president eka say okwa e betimi amana ye bit problematic ne say a specific responsibility has been imposed on her.
Now John Dramani Mahama is a president. Now your man.
That is why so share President Mahama.
The
approach to campaign is not the approach to thank you to. And Ghanaians also understood him. National chairman.
Cabinet. Abona me to aba park no so na dey.
Abona what to aba park no so na say. Oh kan sem tumu nkyene. Said ye oyo na bi basa bi ato party no. Said ye de adwumadie bi ahye national chairman. Eba president Mahama Babu.
Oni bi hwe ma obi bogu maso. Yes say your friends o thank you to no ba. Na work no gusu a wo ye be call reconciliation.
Ba work
wa hwe.
Work na ehu o.
Ehu me say.
What next one be eba? Medina.
Your friend Medina.
That's a walk with you. This is not the first time I hear walk.
All right. Abuziafo nyamisha bibi about the year mashano. You see General Mosquito Honorable Asiedu Nketia. You see oko thank you to. Na anyedia chairman of the party oko thank you to akoyede. Mr. Asiedu Nketia, thank you to. What is the main purpose of the thank you to? Recently, we continue TVs when I catch you say, besides say if whether you have motive and I say, oh, I dream say overstand as flag bearer about party now. We say, crown Jesus. I don't know. Are you people? You told people to stop talking about all those things. Sir, thank you, Tona. We see how come. Ebra president, no, Ankasa also call. Thank you, to. You see how we call. Thank you, to. Mr. Asiedu Nketia, what are we? But see, what he said, in the history of NDC, they have never contested in their primaries like Omuankasa said, Omeyi flag bearer, Omun contesti Omunda. Until they don't know what it takes to contest. Until this is the first time in the history. Omudibabe see any pan. Until baby can't cheer MP before say, Mudia mo ye dealer. Say, ye dear naba. Ena, Musi, Ena, MPP for they are not together. Me see, NDC dear start here, A bed de bruta. A bed de bruta. I don't know what starting. No, President, chairman, you know, thank you to Kakakra, Julius Debrah, so many dear. Na a harder induce abesosu. Na chale, before I ever know. Ayezu.
Hey, titi abe yara wako. Hey, thank you to. Jomama ko thank you to. Also wako thank you to. Hey, obo, kushinison. Campaign to na wa start no. Presidential campaign to. Ona leba start no. Obo. Mama biangaza na obo kushina. Kushina wengaza na campaign to na wa start na hayi.
It is a party yes here this morning, but anya party ketua. Anya party ketua na mwa. Ye be si bia meta no be dwa no ate ase. Kira wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Akra.